Morning. It's 4:11 a.m. It is deadlift day. Not feeling particularly motivated this morning. 330 times 8 last session felt like my max. I mean, I'm gonna try to pull another one off the ground, but we'll see how it goes. Also need to work on my front rack position for front squats. If you saw last video, I unlocked something with my shoulder. I'm going to try to do the same thing again. I foam rolled just my left side, foam rolled my left lat, and then work on that front rack external rotation position. So a lot going on this morning. Gonna get to it. In the garage, it's 7 degrees outside. It is 44.1 degrees inside. I've had the heater running for a minute. I'm gonna set up the garage and then do my first warm-up, and that really will dictate how the whole workout goes. So we'll see if it's heavy, we'll see if it's easy, and then I'll be back. Well, the bar is cold, but that went up relatively well. So we're gonna keep at it. I'll come to you right before my working set. Just did 275, no straps for 2, which is nice. I usually get 1, and then my grip kind of goes, so grip strength's increasing with those 1 minute holds, pull up holds, just hanging. So anyway, gonna go 315 now. $315 went up smoothly. Here's 330, my working set. Going for 9. Not gonna quit there if I have more, but not gonna push myself to break form and get injured either. So that line between failure and control, always flirting with it. I'm confident. Let's do this. Got a 9. Felt good. No breaking form. That's what it's all about. You wake up unmotivated. I don't want to do this. Get into the workout. The work warm-ups. Feels good. And then you rip 9 off the floor. 330 off the floor for 9. Great feeling. Alright. Headed into front squats. Got the rack all set up. My elevated heel. Gonna be paying attention to my left shoulder front rack position. Specifically that external rotation. So I'm gonna do the bar. And then we'll assess. Do some corrective work and then reassess. Shoulder felt fine. Forearms are very tight. So I'm gonna take the bench out, do some forearm loosening activities, and then I'll start putting weight on the bar. So 95 felt great. Moved my way up to 135, and this is always the thing that I struggle with. You know, you do deadlifts, which is your main event. You do a PR within this working session. You know, this working series. I've done obviously more than 330 by 9, but you know. And then do you push for another PR on 160 for front squats, or do you pull it back? Not necessarily pull it back, you're still pushing into that line between failure and control, but does your body have it? I don't know. Gonna find out. Had to check what I got last time, but 135 found up really well. So I got 160 by 8. Let's go for 9. Got 9. Last one was a grind. I'll probably move up in weight next session for both 335, 165. But I'll give it some thought and we'll see. That's what I love about this game. Like last session bench unlocked some new mobility, wasn't necessarily stabilized. My external left shoulder rotation. Come back to workouts, now I'm feeling motivated. You get under the bar, really see what you're made of. Put up PRs on both within this working series. Love it. just got 17 on hamstring curls, which is 2 more than last time. And then I'm doing lunges, which everything in my body and mind is telling me not to do, but that's what makes you stronger, right? I got 17 last time, did down, back, and down. I am going to probably turn again, down, back, down, back. I don't know if I'm gonna get all the way on that 4th leg, but we'll see. Cheers. So I got 20. I did come back on that 4th leg. Only got 2 more, but that's 3 more than last time. So I think my iPhone storage is full. I need to get an external hard drive and move these pictures off my... Great session.